Okay, what else am I taking? I'm taking, these are the brushes I'm taking. Let me just get them all out, or get out what I can. Okay, so these are the brushes. I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. That's good for me. Okay, so I'm taking a foundation brush, and it's the IT brush, which one is this called? The Airbrush Full Coverage Complexion Brush number 77. And it's a triangle shape, so it gives it a point to get in the crux of your nose, and just in places that you need to get a pointy area. But also it's a very flat and dense brush, but not so dense like my 301 was. It really put makeup on good, but you could not get it out of the brush. This is dense, but it's not so dense that you can't clean it well. But this is a great, when I use my liquid foundation, I am going to be taking my Perfection Lumiere Velvet from Chanel in color 22 Beige Rose. And this is the brush that I'll be using. And then for the blush and bronzer that's in there, I'm taking Charlotte Tilbury's little travel one. And I'm just going to use one side for bronzer and one side for blush. And then I am taking, do I need 3? Do I need a highlighter one? I do. I need one more brush. I'm going to take this little baby blending E25, and I'm going to do that for highlight under the brow and in the inner corner. I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics. This was from the Christmas collection last year, and the Stunning one, and it's just a wide, a little bit wider brush, so I can get the transition area with the transition color. I can get into the crease with this Dazzling Crease brush, and then I've got this Luminous Smudger, which is just a smudger brush. Is just like a short shader, and you can use that dark brown to go both under the, like through the lashes and also through the brow. And then I'm also going to be taking, I just made a change. I was going to be taking just my, I was going to take Charlotte Tilbury's, what are these called? It's on here. Color Chameleons, and this is in black diamonds. It says for blue eyes, but I use it right under the lash line. I won't be needing that, so I'm not going to take it. So I'm going to leave that here. But I was going to take the Tartist, because on one end, of course, it has the liner, and on the other end, I mean the liquid liner, on the other end it has a crayon liner. But can I tell you, I used that today, and it really did bleed down pretty bad. And I just didn't feel like I had the coverage I wanted. I do really like the liquid liner that comes by itself. And so I am going to take that. It's a little bit wider than my DHC, and I like that now. But I'm going to take my IT Cosmetics, and I'll tell you why. It stays on better, y'all. It is more waterproof. That one's almost all the way down. Let me find another one. I'm always buying these so that I'll have backups upon backups upon backups. See, there's 2. I want a brand new one to go with me. There's another one. That's a good one. Okay, so this is the IT Cosmetics No Tug Waterproof Anti-Aging Gel Eyeliner. And y'all, nothing does beat it. Sometimes I vacillate back and forth about whether or not on the Tartist I like the crayon of that better. But it just, after wearing it for a day, it's bled down really bad. And I'm like, the IT Cosmetics one does not do that. I am going to take my Rimmel Match Perfection Concealer in color 230, which is Fair Light. I am going to take my Chanel Soft Rose. I am going to go ahead and take Charlotte Tilbury's mascara. I don't know if that's a good idea, y'all. You know, it's a really good one to take, but I just don't feel like it's got much in it right now, is the Thrive Cosmetics. I don't know which one. Maybe I'll put both in. They'll both fit. So, I've got everything in there that I'm going to take for makeup. So, that's my makeup. And then probably when I'm packing, I will do what's in my suitcase. What am I packing for my trip video? If y'all are interested in that. If you're not interested, comment below and say, not interested. Okay, and then one last thing. I was going to open this This is from Emmy and J Boutique. I love the little flamingos. Isn't that cute? And I don't remember what I ordered. Is that just the saddest? And I can't find my little pair of scissors. I don't know what in the world I did with them. They were right there in my little pencil cup. But they're not there now, so I'm just going to try to rip this with my brutal strength. Okay, heavens. Ah! What is it? Off-white. I don't know, but it's pretty. It's lacy. What is it? Emmy and J Boutique in Villa Rica, Georgia. This is something that my daughter told me about. She went to school with this girl. Easel. So obviously she consigns. Now I haven't washed my hands and this is white. So I'm going to have to be very, very careful. I did wipe my hands off, but this is so white, y'all. I'm wearing black pants and it's a good change. Any makeup that's going to get on this. It looks like it's a, is it a dress? Did I buy a dress? Well, I sure did. That's very pretty. That's going to be a date night for Valentine's. I hope Lancey doesn't watch this one. He loves me in white and cream. Look at the lace and the pretty sleeves, y'all. Look at that beautiful embroidery and then these long, wide sleeves. And then it's got a lace top. And then it's just this gauzy bottom. And it's short. And I don't have a tan. I don't know what I'm going to do. If that would look cute with blue jean leggings, but he would love it if I wore a dress for Valentine's. We'll see. I'll let y'all know what I end up doing. But that's very, very pretty. And it's a really cute site. I have to always get extra large because it's like for young people. And they're all size pinkies. And so I always have to, you know, go to the extra large for that. That's for me because I wear a 16, 18. Can y'all believe I just tell y'all stuff like that? I don't know if you're going to write it down or write a book or tell somebody. I wish you wouldn't tell a lot of people. What do I have, 1,400? I've got 1,400 subscribers now. Oh, and I forgot to say, I'm going to take this Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Crayon. And it has the soft brown color on one end. Very small nib. So you can just make little hair-like strokes in your brow. And then a spoolie brush to brush through them. I do think that's important for a couple of reasons. When you brush through the line, it kind of dissipates a little. It doesn't look so fakey drawn on. Because I'm getting where a lot of my brow is now drawn on. Because I'm just losing hairs, y'all. I have no idea, but now I've got blue on my finger. I bet it's from this blue packaging. I hope I didn't get it on the dress. My hands are a mess. But also, sometimes I'll get like little doggy hairs or a little fuzz or something like that. And you need a little spoolie brush with you so that you can get it off the tips of your eyelashes. So that's going to be in there. So is that everything? Oh, I didn't put, that would have been awful. I didn't put back in my, my base, my Chanel makeup. There it goes. And put this brush back in and we're done. And that's everything that I'm taking. So I've got blush, bronzer, shadow, lip, liquid liner, crayon liner, mascara, eyelash curler. There's an eyelash curler in my purse, but I'll double check that. Or should I put this tweezer one in there? Tweezerman. We'll see if that'll go in. Will it go in? Ooh, this is going to be something else. It does. It fit in. The Tweezerman one did. So I just put that in there. I usually put my Charlotte Tilbury one in, which would be so nice looking. Not that anybody's looking. But since it's my Charlotte Tilbury little thing, that would be pretty. I do like my Tweezerman one a lot. So, so what else? Oh, the other thing I wanted to show you, if you haven't been noticing while I'm talking, especially with my hands, I had my nails done, y'all. And instead of using gel nails or tips with glue, since I'm allergic, I just had her paint it. So I can use polish. So I had her just do a French white polish, and she covered it over, not with gel, just with a couple of base coats over, or top coats over it. And we'll see how long it lasts. It probably won't last more than 3 or 4 days, to be honest. We'll see. But she did both my hands, and my toenails. And I could just kind of, I like French white. Look at that blue. What is that? Right? Had to be this. So return policy. We accept returns for store credit only. We do not refund credit cards, cash, or PayPal accounts. We hope you like what you got. But then it says all returns must be postmarked within 7 days of receiving. We offer free shipping on all purchase from group page. I don't know what that means, but I am going to keep this because who knows if that dress is going to fit. So I'm going to keep that. That's kind of a weird policy. Maybe I read that wrong, so just ignore that. The one thing also that I didn't show you that I did have in there, but I'm just going to go ahead and take my Maybelline one, is I do also have a Charlotte Tilbury brow lift. And it's got the brush spoolie on one end, and on the other it has kind of it's wide when you look at it this way, or you can turn it and it's narrow. And that's just so you can do this little wide part in the front easier, and then turn it and make the little wispy marks easier. And I do think that's very genius. I like that a lot. Good for you, Charlotte. She really does put a lot into her products, y'all. So there's just no telling what my hair looks like. But I just found one of these on the floor. Remember, tear those open over a toilet. These silica gels that says throw away, do not eat. If your child or your dog or cat eats some of this and gets it in their stomach, it blows up and it can kill them. So that's nothing to play with, especially around little kids or infants. They're little animals, so just be careful. That's all I have to say. So do you like my hair? Do you think it looks good? I think it looks pretty good. And do you like my nails? I think she did so good. But there's blue on it. There's blue on the nails too. I gotta go wash my hands. Straighten up and fly right. That's what my mom and daddy used to say when I would get a spanking, which was every single day. Anyway, I love